Okay, you have seen how we add text, how we add music, and you have seen how we actually change colors for text. Also for elements, you can just simply click on elements, and here you can change the color as well. So in this lesson, I'm going to show you how you can then add photos and videos and other interesting stuff in Canva, which will make your life much easier and your design more interesting. So let's head in, yeah? So in here, I'm going to just, again, duplicate this page that we had earlier. I'm going to remove all this because I'm going to add, show you how you can add photos or videos. So you just simply go to photos. There are a number of pictures here you can use. Here, I'm going to look for, say, example, bees. There's really nice ones here. Let's just go and click on this, and this is a premium picture. Okay, the one with the crisscross, as I mentioned earlier, is premium. If you want to remove the watermark, there's a charge to that. Yeah, so I'm going to remove this because we're going to look only for free ones, free and public. You can use it for your media, for your social media. So let's go up here. It says free. Let's click on this, and then you can then adjust it accordingly. Okay, so adjust it accordingly. In here, for example, let's just see, maybe a little bit bigger. Yeah, okay, I think that's fine, just to show you what we can do with the media. And then here on top, there's effects, filter, adjust, crop, flip. So again, you can animate this. I think because this is a new one, maybe you want to change the animation to something a bit nicer, something like that. And then what I can do, we still stuck to this particular music. Yeah, it doesn't change anything at all. Music will play throughout the whole presentation or throughout the whole media. You can also, let's move on to this one. You can also flip horizontal, flip vertical accordingly. It depends on what you want to do. I just keep one thing. This information is important. You can go to that I sign to find out more about the element. In here, the picture, the title of the picture is Swarm of Honeybees. You can see more from Polydot, from Pixabay. You can see that's free. If you want to know more information about the picture, you can click on free. The keywords are important. I would suggest that if you're really focusing on certain things, or you're researching on certain things, if I were you, I would actually note down all these things in my notes, in my digital notes, Evernote and so on. Yeah, that would help me to go and explore further on that particular topic, and I find this really useful. Okay, what we can do next, I'm going to show you here, is you can also, since we're already here, you can also, if you like this picture, even for an element, there's this add to like, add to folder. You can click on this. It'll be added to your like folder. I'll show you in a bit, yeah, what it means by that. And then you can click on that, and you can also add to a folder. If you click on this folder, you can you add it to here. Yeah. So I'm going to go out, and if you want to see more of the similar photos, you can click on see more like this, and that is what is recommended or trending in here. Yeah. So that's there. All right. I think this is better for the elements. I show you, for example, in here. Okay, click on this one. If you click on this and see more like this, it will give you more designs, which are, I think, quite similar. Yeah, quite cool. And if I show you here, let me close this one. Yeah, if you go to folder, this is better in a sense. You can see it better. You can click in here. I can click on that the information. If I click likes in here, yeah, it will show in my folder. Yeah, now it shows in my folder. If I go back there and I want to remove it from my likes, I can click on this, and automatically it's removed from my folder. So I can, of course, undo it as well if you want to. All right. Okay, that's to add a photo. This is what you can do. Yeah, I'm going to remove this. Now I'm going to add a video. Similar to audio, the video also comes as a premium or even free as well. These are the free ones. Okay, let's see with do they have any picture on B or video on B? Let's see the free ones. So this is free, so you can click on this. Yeah. You can play around. All right. You can also crop it or trim it down. In trimming, you just need to focus on the parts that you want to appear. So in this case, this is a long video clip. What we can do is you bring it to where you want the bees to be. So let me just see. I just want it to go flying. Watch the main picture there. So this is where the part that you want, perhaps maybe for about a few seconds, maybe for about maybe about 3 seconds. I want the audience to see the bees flying from this flower to the next flower and so on. Let me just see. Here you go. Yeah, it goes to other flowers as well. So maybe play the video for about 3 seconds. So down here, I'm gonna just adjust the position of this video. Okay, that's nice. Yeah. Maybe a bit smaller. I can crop it a bit smaller. I don't have to follow the size given. I can always crop it to focus it. Okay, that looks good. Now you can see that the length of the animation has increased. You see, firstly from 9 seconds down to 21 seconds, depending on your the designs that you have in here. So we have here this particular cut. Second, we have this quotation. Third, we have this video. So it increases accordingly. And so now what we should do is we go back to the music, and I think we should let me just see whether, yeah, we need to actually increase the timing to perhaps about, let's do around that. Okay, and then we can go to the music, and that's for about, give us about a few seconds, isn't it? So let's just adjust a little bit. Okay, let's that's about 18 seconds. Yeah, let's just play and see. All right, then we go on to the next one. Oops, 30 seconds. All right, so it goes a bit longer, so I'm gonna just, this will go on and on, I think. Right. Okay. Okay, so you can see that we have quite nice in a sense, yeah, because then you have the cover page, then you have the quotation page, and now you have a video of bees. Let's close this. So you have seen how you can add video and photos in this particular lesson. You have also seen how you can then keep some of the elements that you like in your own folder, and then that makes things more organized and help you be more productive in your work. In the next lesson, I'm going to show how you can integrate certain apps with Canva and also download your media, your posts in here. All right, so I see you in the next lesson.